This is a short video demonstration about the JLL CSV Data Export Development. We've completed the UAT and regression testing, and we'll be sending the UAT scripts to you, and you can decide how much more UAT you want to do. But what I do want to show is that as well as the scheduled export that runs to the FTP server, there are also the options of running those CSV exports manually. So you'll see a change when we release this, and the obvious change will be within the reporting screen. And we will show here that you have a new report now called Data Export. We're within transitions, and we can click and create the data export as we do with all of the reports. I'm not just for the minute going to run that against transitions because it takes a while to create all the information due to the amount of data. But what I will demonstrate is that the way it's set up, and as with all Program Express reports, you can then run this from any portfolio. So if I choose service delivery, and the point I'm making is that it's not just a creation of CSVs for transitions, it can apply to any data within portfolios. I can click Data Export for service delivery, click Create. And that will produce the data export zip file for the areas agreed as part of the specification. Now, what we can also do, as well as run from any other portfolio, is that we can go to Settings, we're within Data Exports, and open up, and we can selectively choose any one of the modules. So, for example, if some data has changed from the night before and we want to rerun it, we want to rerun the risks, click Create, and we will see a data export specifically just for risks. And we can tick one or the other, we can mix and match and do whatever we want. If we go to Saved, we can see CSV risks, which means that, as with all other reports, it will also appear within the home screen, My Reports and CSV Risks. So obviously it was specifically done for transition, so yes, we can do just that. We can run the report for transitions, and I will run it, and you will see it run to completion, and it will take a while, and you might want to stop the video at this point, but I just want to prove to you that it will work by clicking Create. You see it's starting milestone, it's starting commentary, and there's a lot of commentary data, so it will take quite a long time to create that. So I'm going to sit and watch this whir away. You might want to stop at that point. That really sort of like completes the demonstration of the changes, and it's up to you. If you want to use your own login ID, you can't do any damage. It's purely live data, but purely on the demo system. So it gives you an opportunity to test all of that out yourselves. Obviously, at 8 o'clock every evening, we will do the scheduled complete extract to your FTP server, but this shows that you can also run it manually and run it from any different portfolio. So we'll watch this complete, and it takes about 2 minutes to create all the files. Okay, so we've been running for 2 minutes, so maybe it's going to take a little bit longer. Okay, so that took about 3 minutes to complete the transitions, and that's all transitions activity. And you'll see that let's just open up with the milestones, and we'll see that we've produced a lot of data related to milestones sitting within transitions, and close that down. And there's the commentary that took a long time, and you'll see that we have in the region of a couple of thousand lines that we've exported. So that really concludes the short demonstration of the CSV Export Development. Any questions, then please come back to us.